The 10th most common question is, or the misconception about Islam is, that non-Muslims, many of them say, you Muslims, you eat animals and you behave like animals, violent and ferocious. You Muslims, you all have non-veg food and you behave like animals, violent and ferocious. I have to agree. Today science does tell us that what you eat has an effect on your behavior. And I agree with them, that what you eat has an effect on your behavior. That's the reason we Muslims, we are not allowed to eat ferocious and violent animals like tiger, leopard, lion, which are ferocious. We are only allowed to eat the peaceful animals like cow, goat, sheep, because we are peace-loving. The herbivorous animals, the peaceful, we say, Allah mein ki gaay hai. In Hindi we say. We are only allowed to eat the peaceful animals, the cattle. Quran says in Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 157, the Prophet commands you that which is just and prohibits you that which is evil. He allows you that which is lawful and good and prohibits you that which is bad and impure. Allah repeats the message in Surah Hashar, chapter 59, verse number 7. Take what the Prophet assigns to you and abstain from that which the Prophet prohibits to you. So whatever Allah and His Rasul prohibit, we Muslim abstain from it. And there are various Sahih Hadith in Bukhari, in Muslim, Ibn Majah, that speak about the prohibition of these violent animals, these carnivorous animals. It's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, in the book of hunting and slaughtering, Hadith number 4752. Also in Ibn Majah, chapter number 13, Hadith number 3232 and 3234. The various types of food that the Prophet has prohibited. Amongst them is animals that have carnivorous set of teeth, the carnivorous animals that belong to the cat family, like lion, tiger, cat, dog, wolf, hyenas, all these are prohibited. Certain rodents like mice, rats, rabbits with claws, certain reptiles like snakes, alligators, all these are prohibited. The Prophet also prohibited birds which have talons and claws, like vultures, eagles, crow, owls, etc. All these are prohibited.